Hi, welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike, and today our recipe is all about chicken cacciatore. So let me tell you what's in this great recipe. We have two different kind of onions, red and white onion. We have the yellow and orange bell pepper. We're going to be having some mushrooms and some garlic and some parsley, some marinara sauces on the stove, some red wine, and of course the chicken. It's going to be great. So we're going to start off by seasoning. Let's just go ahead and get this recipe started. We're going to start by seasoning the chicken. So I have some all-purpose rub that I made out of salt, pepper, garlic, onion, a little paprika. And then we have some Tone's Italian seasoning blend. We're just going to sprinkle some of this on, not much. And then we'll flip it. Flip that chicken over. Getting my hands all full of chicken juice. So sprinkle that on. And we'll go ahead and finish this up right quick and in a hurry. Now watch this. I'm going to sprinkle on some flour. Doesn't have to be a whole lot of flour, but we're going to sprinkle on some flour out of my little beignet sugar container. So no, it's not powdered sugar. And we're going to get ready to brown the chicken. And look how quick and easy that was. So I'll get everything ready and we'll brown it up. All right, we're going to put some butter in that skillet. Yay. And some oil. I like using olive oil. So while the butter and the oil are heating up, I'm going to wait till we get a little smoke, and then we'll start browning the chicken. Okay, got a little smoke going on now, so here we go. Put the chicken in, and we'll brown it up. We're just using 4 thighs today, boneless thighs. Okay, so we're going to let this brown for a couple of minutes, and I'll check it, and then we'll flip them over and brown the other side. I'll let you see what it looks like as we're going right along. Okay, let's check them. Oh, they're looking great. Can you see that? Look how pretty that looks. They don't have to be cooked all the way through because we're going to put them in an oven and cook them for about 25 minutes. But we just want to make sure they're browned, kind of give them a head start, right? Couple more minutes, we'll be right back. The chicken is browned up nicely. It took about 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes. But we're taking them out and we're getting ready to go in with all the onions. It's going to be good. So before we do, we're going to clean up this pan just a little bit. I don't really want to cook with all of that. That's a little bit too much fat in there. So we'll take a little bit of that out and we'll be right back. Well, we kept just a little bit of olive oil and butter, but I'm just going to go back with a little bit more butter, something a little fresh. And then we're going to go in with our onions. That's the red one. The white one's going in now. We're going to go in with our bell peppers. By the way, all of the ingredients, the amounts will be in the description. Now let's go ahead and put in our mushrooms. And let's flip this around. Well, that smells some good. Let me make sure I have my fire up a little bit. Okay, yeah. Okay, while we're sauteing our veggies, we're just going to add in about a tablespoon of this great Italian blend seasoning, some salt, and some garlic. So I love garlic, so I probably have about 6 or 8 toes of garlic in here. And, well, we'll see how this looks, okay? Oh, this is looking some good. So we're going to saute this just for a couple of minutes. But I do need to add, I had to reach over and grab my red wine. Let me put in just a little bit of Italian parsley. Okay, get that in there. Oh, so while this is sauteing nicely, we're going to add some marinara that we made. Cover that up. Let that cook just for a minute or two. And we're going to put the chicken right back on top like this. And I'm going to leave the skin up because I'd like it to be crispy when it comes out of the oven. So we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about 20-25 minutes. And then when it comes out, you'll get to see how beautiful it is. That's how we do it. Well, as you could see, the chicken cacciatore came out of the oven. We plated it up. It is smelling so good. I loaded this plate up. Of course, you know I'm not going to eat all this, but it is time to dig in. Let me show you how good this really is. Grab a little pasta, one of those mushrooms, a piece of chicken. Oh my God, it looks so good. Mmm. 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 I'm going in for a second bite because it was so good, so delicious. Mmm. 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 Y'all have to try this for sure. You guys, I want to thank y'all so much for tuning into the Sanders Kitchen and watching Pam and I cook. We have plenty more recipes to do. And it seems like the more we do, the more the more ideas we have. Anyway, I hope you try this recipe. Thank you so much for tuning into the Sanders Kitchen. If you liked our videos, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that notification bell too. We come out with new videos every week. Share our videos with your friends and your family too. Well, I hope you enjoy the recipe. Go get you some chicken cacciatore. Have a great week, and God bless you.